still life down to present moment details. Observe the way your hands are resting. Observe the way your breath feels as you inhale, as you exhale. Observe the temperature of the air on your skin. As you expand your awareness to what is here, right now, notice a sense of tranquility begin to bloom. If thoughts come to clutter your focus, be loyal to the present moment. Bring your mind back to your breath. Our deep truth for today is from Thich Nhat. The most precious gift we can offer others is our presence. When mindfulness embraces those we love, they will bloom like flowers. The most precious gift we can offer others is our presence. Be still with the words. When you are next with one of your loved ones, truly listen to them, see them, feel their energy. Be present with them the way you are now. Take a last long deep breath here. Be blessed. Namaste.